Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Sony E55 to 210mm and the Nikon 40mm micro lens? Seems like apples and oranges, right? Let's break down which one's the right pick for touring your nice camera bag. The Sony 55 to 210mm with that huge zoom feels like you could shoot a soccer game from the bleachers, then zoom in on a bird and a tree.
Exactly. But remember, it's a renewed lens, so you're saving some cash, but it's not brand new. And that f/4.5 to 6.3 aperture means you'll need decent light, especially at 210mm. Are you okay with that trade-off? The Nikon 40mm micro, though, it's tiny, like slip it in your pocket tiny. Perfect for those I wonder what that looks like up close moments.
Oh, imagine capturing the intricate details of a watch mechanism or the frost on a leaf. It focuses as close as 0.53 feet. Okay, so the Sony lens gives you that massive 82.5 to 315 millimeters equivalent focal length. Think versatility. Landscapes, portraits, even some wildlife if you're patient. Plus, optical steady shot helps keep things steady.
But let's be real, that variable aperture is a compromise. And at 12.2 ounces, it's not exactly a featherweight. You'll feel it on longer shoots. The Nikon lens is a different beast entirely. It's all about that one-to-one macro. Your subject appears life-size on the sensor. Think stunning detail and creative possibilities.
And at around 2.7 inches in diameter, it's super compact. You could literally carry it everywhere. Plus, the silent wave motor means quiet autofocus, great for video. But here's the key. The Sony lens is about flexibility, capturing a range of subjects. The Nikon is about asterisk specialization, stop revealing hidden worlds.
Right. The Sony is your walk-around lens, good for general use. The Nikon is your I want to see the world differently lens.
So if you're a generalist photographer who wants to cover a lot of ground, sports, nature, family events, the Sony 55 to 210mm gives you that reach and stabilization at a reasonable price, especially as a renewed option.
But if you're drawn to the intricate details, the textures, the tiny wonders all around us, then the Nikon 40mm micro is your gateway. It's a dedicated tool for a specific vision. Either way, both lenses are well regarded in their categories. Now, go explore your photographic passion.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.